Hey guys, it's your girl So Simply Day and welcome back to my channel. If you are interested on how I achieve these results, just keep on watching. Okay, as you can see, I already completed one side of my hair. I sectioned my hair in 4 sections with 4 plaits in the front and 4 plaits in the back. Each section, I dampen my hair with water, then apply my leave-in. The leave-in I'm using today is the H&P Placenta Hot Oil Cream. I apply that through my hair. For setting purposes, I section my hair in even smaller sections, then I detangle, and then I'm going to apply the Cream of Nature Twist and Hold Custard as my styler. Make sure to concentrate on your ends. I work that product into my hair, then I detangle to further distribute the product throughout my hair. Then I begin to braid. Once I make it to the end of the braid, I detangle my ends and then I twist. I continue those same steps throughout the rest of my hair. It's definitely time for another trim. Now I did sit under the dryer for 30 minutes, then slapped the beanie on to cover up my braids and went head on about my day. I let my hair air dry overnight as well as sit under the dryer for an additional hour. My hair was still kind of damp. You want your hair to be dry before the takedown process. You want to use oil and you want to be very, very gentle when taking down your hair to fight against frizz. Y'all, look at this definition. Hair came out super defined and moisturized with a nice hold. We definitely want to cover up these parts. You want to start by separating your hair where it naturally wants to separate. Separate to your desired fullness. I'm using my pick to fluff my roots for more volume. Hair is defined with plenty of bounce. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And again, you guys, thanks for tuning in.